Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with clips organized and an adjustment layer ready. Open VN and apply a primary LUT lightly to see direction. Next, use the waveform to set exposure. Lift shadows, lower highlights so nothing clips. Use the vector scope to nudge skin tones toward natural hue. Keep saturation conservative. Once done, save this as a base preset so you can match other shots quickly. This first pass establishes neutral balance and consistent exposure, which makes all later creative moves reliable and faster. Now refine, apply curves to shape contrast, lift the midtones, deepen blacks, so your image breathes. Use hue versus saturation to desaturate problem tones without touching skin. Then, switch to color wheels to tint shadows, mids, and highlights subtly. Use masks to isolate faces or skies. Once masked, feather heavily to avoid hard edges. Add selective sharpening and a tiny film grain. This binds clips together and hides banding. Make incremental moves. Step back and compare before committing to changes. Finish by matching clips. Use VN's shot compare to ensure continuity, then disable the LUT preview and toggle your adjustment layer to confirm improvements. Export with Rec. 709H, 264, and a bitrate suited to delivery. For 1080p, choose 1012 Mbps. If colors drift or shots still mismatch, troubleshoot. Reset the curve and rebalance exposure first, then tweak temperature and tint in small increments. If banding appears, add tiny grain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.